Hello student, today we will discuss class 12 Flamingo book chapter Lost Spring, written by Anita. Student, here is a two story in this chapter, and for the both two story the theme of this chapter is poverty and child labor. Child labor. First of all, student, I want to tell you why its chapter name is Lost Spring. Meaning of spring is this, that there are green everywhere, there are so many flowers blossom and bloom. Just like the children have no any tension, they play very well, they eat a lot. But in this chapter we see that there are so many children who do the child labor and their children nurses give up badam. So that here is a story of Sahib. One day Anees Jung, the author, go on a street. There was a small boy whose name is Sahib find out something from a garbage. So the author wants to tell us that she go near him and asked him that what are you doing in this garbage? Then that boy said that I want to do gold from this garbage. The teacher said, the author says that why do you don't go to school? Then that boy answering simply that because there is no school in our locality. Then author says to him that if I build a school, then you go to the school. Then Sahib says definitely, why not? I want to go to school. So did the author go from there. After some days, author came again, and that child came near the author by running and asked her, will you build a school? At that time, author was so much serious. She think why she do such type of promise which she don't complete for him. There are other boys also. She asked the other boys why you are barefoot. Then one boy say that because we have no shoes. But author says, Beta, why don't you wear shoes? Then other student says, child says that it is a tradition of our life. So the author was so much serious, so much worried about that children's. After some time, the author asked the dead child to find out something from the garbage. What is your name? That child says, Sahib Alam. My name is Sahib Alam. So that author says to us that he don't know what is the meaning of his name. The meaning of his name is Lord of Universe. And he find out something from the garbage. So that we can say that the theme of this story is poverty and child labor. One other story is also mentioned in this chapter. There is a boy who was Mukesh. He do the work in a bangle. He makes a bangle. Where he makes a bangle, that is a room. It was full of darkness. There the temperature is too high. But they do the bangle. They make the bangle there. His whole family make the bangle there. Author meets with his family and asks to them, why do you don't do the other work? Then the Mukesh parent says to her that no, it is the work which is made for us, and we take so much from this work. We make a big house. We make a house also. In this way, author wants to tell us that that's not a big deal to make a house, but they think that it is a very big deal. But on the other hand, Mukesh thinks that he wants to join the Polytechnic in Mechanical, and after some time he made a mechanical engineer. So that there are two stories in Lost Spring, and both theme is poverty and child labor. Now student, the questions are that what is the meaning of Sahib Alam? what did Mukesh want to become in future? These are the more important questions. Thank you.